Hey everybody, welcome to the Minute Academy. Please be sure to like and subscribe. If you really like this channel, you can check out our digital products down below. The more money we get from the products that you buy below, the more content we can make. All right, let's get to the video. A game engine is a software development environment that aims to make game development easier. Without game engines, programmers would have to work much harder to make a game, as coding everything line by line is time-consuming and difficult. Game engines are generally a visual software development environment to allow reusable software components to make game development easier. Depending on the game engine, 2D and 3D games can be made. A few examples of reusable software components include support for physics engines, sound engines, scripting, artificial intelligence, cinematics, memory management, mobile controls, and more. Coding everything from scratch would be difficult and time-consuming. Different game engines usually have different workflow, and whether or not developers choose one over another comes down to personal preference. The two main game engines that are used are Unity and the Unreal engines. Companies like Ubisoft and EA have their own proprietary game engines. Game engines today can export to multiple platforms, which historically has been very difficult and expensive. Game engines are usually free to download, but for the entire set of features a game engine has to offer, it can cost money. Some game engines take a percentage after a certain thresholds, and others have a monthly subscription. Game engines have come a long way in the last 30 years. It's never been easier to make a game. Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. If you really like this video, please like it and share it. It would mean the world to me if this video only got 1,000 likes. Remember that this channel doesn't do a Patreon. Instead, we sell our digital products down below. The more money we get from the products that you buy below, the more content we can make. If you really like this channel, you can subscribe to Mammoth Interactive's huge library of content. We have everything from web development to machine learning to game development and many more tutorials. Our goal is to get to 10,000 paid subscribers. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in another video.